Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2016 Lexus RX350, and we're going to go over the process to be able to change out your cabin air filter. So to start with, we need to open up our glove box, and then there is the dampener piece over here. We're going to pull that off and then squeeze the glove box together. You'll want to unload your glove box also. And then there's two tabs here. Just pull those out. Then we squeeze the two tabs here, and then we're able to open this up. We've got an arrow saying that points up, and then pulling this out, you may have a decent amount of debris here. And then we're going to remove our air filter element, and noting that our airflow will flow downward. So the new air filter element that we put in, we want the arrow of the airflow to go down. So we have our new air filter here for the cabin filter. We're going to put it into the channel here, drop it in, much like that. Again, with our airflow pointing downward for maximum flow. And then we have an up arrow on this little tray that holds that in there. So now we slide that in there all the way in. Take our little cover piece here, following the up reason, and this here also hits in here to hold the filter up and snug like it should be there. And then the three tabs up top, insert them first and then lock that into place. Then when we're done there, we bring up our glove box, and if we just push it up, it'll lock up there. And then you want to reconnect your dampener just like that. Lock that into place. Go ahead and put everything back in your glove box. And that's how you would replace your cabin air filter on your Lexus RX350. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.